Hello everyone, it's your favorite mall geek here, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing of new Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe. Now I ordered this on Amazon and for my birth, and you know, and this is a nice game, and I've always wanted this for like 5 months, and so yeah, let's unseal this. Sorry about that. Nope. Yep, and this is a brand new game. And you can tell because it was sealed. And, yep. And we have the actual game. And it's now unsealed. Here's the game disc. Oh, sorry about that. I'll just look inside. I also like the artwork of this. It's pretty. On the maps of the actual gameplay of New Super Mario Bros. U and Luigi U, and this is also, and here is the game cartridge right there. And this is also my 500th video special. So, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later.